content!
Corey, you've hit that container. Look at the hole he's put in it.
Zim Zimma, who got the keys to the tipper? Big Daft Ripper. We're on the scrap today, boys. We'll get a video out of it for you. We're on the way bridge at AMR. We're with Corey down there. Bless him. He's just come back from holiday. He just literally drove back from Edinburgh Airport, had a couple of hours in bed, and then come straight to work. So I thought I'd best come and supervise him, make sure he's on top form today. So we're on locals around the northeast. We'll see what carnage we can get up to. Yeah, I'll probably get a band out of somewhere, mate. Is that it? Are we flat out? Do you want to go faster? Could someone tell me why everybody likes these Dafts? How fast we're going, Corey?
30.
Fully loaded? 30 or past the Angel. Jesus Christ. It's dead as a doornail.
Come on.
Drop it down a gear. Oh, doesn't got one.
It did when you said that.
Try a whistle.
Collie.
Told him to get some WD-40, but he doesn't listen. No WD-40.
We'll fix that when we stop.
Fix it when we stop. And the musical horns are broke as well. They didn't last long. Lasted what, 2 weeks?
3 days I used them for.
Oh no, problem. How many of them does it take to recover a bus? He's trying to tell me this is going to turn around here. It's not, you know. I told you.
Why didn't they tell us?
Well, you maybe thought that you knew that you had to reverse down here. Now what you're going to do? You have to reverse all the way back now.
Wait, he's tipping now. So I go to bed.
I've been to bed.
What if I get round the back of that pile and reverse back and come on? It's no promise.
I don't know. You might be able to go left and then reverse back. But I don't think you'll be able to do that either. The worst thing is you can't see what's in that puddle.
I know.
Yeah, we're going. Tyres are going to get blown off the rims here.
Doesn't look promising. No, it's a fire truck.
Now you have to reverse all the way back, turn around and reverse all the way back down. This is what happens when you get impatient. Can you do it?
Corey, you've hit that container. We've crashed. Ooh, look at the hole he's put in it. Go on. Oh, whoa, oh. Look at the hole he's put in the container.
He didn't really. You did touch it. Just touched it. He hasn't put that hole in. I'm just over dramaticalizing it.
Look at the big hole you put in it.
So we're not level. So put your seatbelt on, because if we're going to my side, you're going to land on top of me. bugger now or I'm going out the window. All done. You mind?
Brand new.
We need WD-40!
Nah.
Look at the Migra. What a weapon. I wonder what it's like underneath because they normally rot like beep.
Ow. 10 quid that's just cost me.
We've had to have an emergency stop. We need to fix the musical horns.
Got that wide, so I don't need no door.
Is that any hole?
Come on, we only got 15 minutes.
What is it? Bodgery?
Bodgery, but hopefully we'll have some tunes to play now.
Pull that blue one from the front.
Go on. It's gonna come back and hit him straight in the face.
Scared.
Strong that.
I'm gonna keep that. That's good.
Trying to get his brake in, the bloke in the garage is going ballistic because we're parked here. We're causing chaos. Any number. Give it some tones. Oh, it's still sticking. Yeah, you're not getting out. See that, right? Biggest waste of money going. At least we've got some tunes.
Can't remember which one birthday is. Hey. No need to fear, the scrap man's here.
Do you know now that I haven't got them, I realise how embarrassing they are.
I know.
Sick. The course is not going to stop. She's struggling. She's struggling.
Did she like it?
Nah, she shook her head. She's not impressed. She's laughing. She's laughed at you. She thinks you're immature.
So? So what?
Oh, oh, oh! Jesus! Close that. He's telling me he doesn't want to blindside in.
Oh no, sorry.
You're gonna have to blindside it in there, look. No problem, easy.
It's actually easy.
Why? You never blindsided before. We've already crashed once on this video. Shan't do it again.
Oh, keep it straight.
Turn it round if you want. I bottled it. Keep it going, Jack. Keep going. Whoa! Look at him with his posh lift axle trailer, look. Posh lift axle trailer and he wouldn't blindside it. Some operator. I reckon I'd have got that in one, me like. Whoa! The gate on this side. I could go and help him. I could. I'm not going to. He's stressing because he's on camera. That one snapped off and chucked in that trailer. I could see me house from here. This Turkish whistle. Nothing but trouble. It's all my fault. It's a defective part. I say we'll just rip it off and chuck it in the back of the trailer. Come on, accelerate.
I am, sorry.
Jesus Christ. Maybe naughty, do a shortcut. Language children watch this channel.
Oh, now it's more.
Oh, the change into green. Straight out of the roundabout, straight back on. Child. Is it home time yet? We'll go home.
Nearly.
What? Oh, that. Seen him on YouTube. Needs more subscribers. People watch the videos and don't click the subscribe button. That's what he was telling me.
Always got to click it.
Always got to click the subscribe button. His boss man's just said, get your salary home. 2:30. I'm in the wrong job. 2:30 finish. In the yard for 3.
You know what to tell it.
In the wrong game here. Need to be in the scrap game. What a child.